Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful Goan life, and today we are going to talk about poinsettias, a beautiful plant. Poinsettias are these cheery looking plants which are widely grown indoors over Christmas for their brightly colored leaves. These leaves are also called as colored bracts. These plants are often available during the winter, and the moment we see them in the nurseries in Goa, we know that Christmas is coming and it is like right around the corner. And also because they're called as a Christmas plants, and because also they have the Christmas colors, that is the red and the green. Another name for poinsettias is the Euphorbia pulcherrima. And poinsettias need bright but filtered light away from the strong sun. But in Goa, we do keep them out for a couple of hours in the sun and then bring it to indirect light. The more they are in this filtered indirect light, more is the color that pops out on the leaves, or in fact the leaves itself get this dark red color. Regarding the watering of poinsettias, the watering of poinsettias must be done as sparingly as possible because overwatering this plant could damage the plant. As a rule of thumb, only when the surface area of the soil goes dry, that would be the time to water this plant. If you notice, these leaves are being transformed to this red color. Now this flowering or the bract coloring is initiated by short winter day length, which occurs naturally in December to January. So the moment the winter gets over, these colorful leaves slowly fade back to their natural green. At that point, when they are moving back to the natural green leaves, this plant looks very different, and you wonder whether this was a prized plant of Christmas when this change happens. With regards to the propagation of this plant, it is found, or I have researched, that cuttings do work, but the cuttings should be tried somewhere in the month of May. And also, while you are trying to propagate this plant, care should be taken because it belongs to Euphorbia family, and the sap of this plant may cause irritation and could be toxic. I was trying to find out what could be the possible association of poinsettias with Christmas, and this is what I found. It is said that poinsettias' association for Christmas comes from a Mexican legend. The story goes that a child with no means for a great or beautiful gift for Jesus gathered humble weeds from the side of the road to place it at the church altar on Christmas Eve. And the weeds turned into brilliant red and green flowers, and these flowers is what they call is poinsettias. Hope you enjoyed this video on poinsettias, and I hope it brings you into the Christmas spirit, as whenever I look at this plant, I think about Christmas and the joyful time we spend during Christmas. Thank you for watching. See you all again.